What are you saying, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we have a little haul moment. It has been so long since I've done a haul on my channel, but I got so kindly sent so many bits from BURGA. I have so many things in here. We've got like a stationery haul, accessories haul. There's a lot for us to go through, so I thought I would unbox it with you and we can look through everything. And I'm really excited because I've been waiting for you guys to open this box, so please appreciate that. Right? Subscribe! I love you guys. Probably should have brought some scissors with me. Alright. We're gonna have to use my eyebrow scissors. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Let's get this open. You know what? I'm just gonna rough it. I'm just gonna rough it. I'm so excited for this. You have no idea. Okay. Oh my god, this looks so cute! Oh my gosh. Look at this packaging! Oh my god! Wait, I want to show you, but like... I don't know what I want to... Okay. Debbie, calm down. Alright. I think... Okay, so okay, wait. Breathe. Okay, breathe. I got some notebooks, which I think I'm like most excited about. So let's go through the notebooks first and then we'll go through the rest. So let's get them out. I actually can't get over the packaging of how these notebooks come. Have you ever seen a bougie notebook in your life? Okay, so I'm so excited. It's like in a full-on envelope, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, so I got to like pick from the website, right? And I just love yellow. I feel like, right? Like, isn't it so cute? But this is like bougie. Oh my god. Okay, wait, let me open all of them first and then I'll show you guys the inside. So I tried to go for like, okay, I'm not gonna lie, there were so many to choose from. They have like over 200 designs on their page, which is pretty insane. Best believe I was scrolling for a questionable amount of time. But I tried to pick like ones that all felt like me. This is really cute. I feel like this is like a good like standard, if you don't know what to pick, this is like a good neutral piece, you know? Like you can never go wrong with black marble. With some gold, yeah, that's all me. That's all me. Oh my god, I remember what this one was. You lot know I'm into my astrology. I got a Leo one. They have them for all the star signs. As soon as I saw astrology themed notebooks, you know I had to pick it. You know. And you can pick like different colours, like the same pattern came in different like base colours. But I like the lilac. I feel like this is really cute. Guys! How cute are they? Okay, let me show you the inside. So I got each one of them with like different interior. So let me explain what I mean. So this one, I got like dotted paper. This is really smooth, by the way. I like dotted ones to do like bullet journals. I used to do bullet journaling like years ago and I loved it. If you're like a creative, I feel like you just have to try bullet journaling. It's so therapeutic to just get creative and customize like your own journal. But the dotted format makes it so much easier when you're like measuring up like grids and stuff to, you know, set your journal out. So that's what my last one was. So I wanted to get another dotted one to start a bullet journal again. I got this one lined. Let me show you guys. I love this magnetic clip, by the way. It's so satisfying. It's giving ASMR. Anyway, yeah, this one I got lined. If you guys didn't know, I used to write poetry. I know. Back in the day, I studied like English and creative writing, and one of my modules was poetry. So I used to write a lot of poetry, but I haven't written any. Actually, that's a lie. I've written some since I graduated, but not that much. And I've been thinking lately that I really want to get back into it. So I was thinking I should have a notebook like dedicated to my poetry, like just a safe space for like myself and my mind, and just like get everything out. So that's why I got the lined one. Again, really soft pages. And then the yellow one I got gridded. Something about gridded pages, I don't know why, I just find it so satisfying. But this one I'm going to use for like a habit tracker. So my health has not been 10 out of 10, as you guys know, lately. So I want to like keep track of like my food habits and like my skin. I just want to like monitor everything, and I don't have just like one place where I've done that before. It's always been a bit like all over the place. So I thought, okay, if I just get one dedicated notebook and just track everything like daily in this, then it makes it so much easier to just keep track of. So that's what I'm going to use the gridded ones for. I just thought for like tables and stuff, it's going to be so much easier, because that's what this one is like mainly going to be for. But other than that, the inside, they all say this, which I love, by the way. The inside on here, it says unleash your creativity. Endless possibilities start here. And listen, anything creative, yeah? Anything where the USP is anything to do with the creative, sign me up. Sign me up. I love that. I love that so much. These are like so nice. They're made of vegan faux leather as well. You know, anything vegan, I'm all here for. I'm all here for. Okay, I'm too excited. I want to look at the rest now. I'm so excited to show you these. Okay, so I got a new MacBook case. My one got cracked recently, and I was like, okay, I just need to get a new one. So I got it to match one of the notebooks. Like, how cute is that? The fact it's coordinated, I just cannot tell you. It's like it scratches something in my brain. Like, it's just so aesthetically pleasing to me. It's so satisfying when stuff matches. I can just imagine myself like in a coffee shop, doing my editing, doing my working, like with my laptop, and like my notebook next to me. Like, stop. That makes me feel like my life is put together when my stuff is matching. Like, are you mad? So anyway, it comes with a top and a bottom. I'm so excited. I'm literally gonna put that straight on my laptop as soon as I'm done with this video. And then the phone case, I had to do it. Guys, I had to do it. I had to do it. This is so cute. Oh my god, this looks so bougie. But like, can we just talk about the fact this is all gonna match? I'm actually gonna look like that girl. Like, this is giving it girl vibes. It girl vibes. There's like over 200 designs on the phone cases as well. So you can literally like coordinate all your accessories together, or you can just pick something totally different, but I wanted to coordinate it. Okay, I want to put this on my phone like now. This feels so like bougie. I love the quality of this case. Ooh! Little gold detailing inside. Okay, I see you, I see you. So this is an Elite case, by the way. They've got loads of like different like case styles, and this is the Elite one. And this one absorbs, I think it was like 90% of the impact from like a fall or something. Okay, I'm struggling to get this one off right now. Bear with me, guys. Oh my god, yes. Look how cute this is. Imagine me just like typing on my laptop and like taking a phone call. You know what, there's something about like getting new like stationery and stuff like that around this time of year. Like when it hits autumn, I love to just start new things. And okay, all my stationery lovers are gonna get this, but you know that feeling when you start a new notebook? Unmatched. Literally unmatched when you get a new notebook. I'm so gassed because I have 3. But seriously, there's something about starting autumn when you feel like you're put together, you've got your stuff in order. I'm sorry, but what says that more than coordinated accessories and 3 new notebooks? Please, tell me. Tell me. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually really impressed with the quality as well. I do have a discount code for you guys. You know how to hook you up? Come on, come on. So it's on the screen. If you use this discount, then you get 15% off all the stuff on their website. Every product they sell, they have so many designs to choose from. It literally took me so long to decide. Indecisive queen out here, you lot know the drill. I'm so gassed to use all of these. Get ready to see them featuring in like every video. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I will leave the discount code again on the screen now and in the description, along with a link as to where you can shop these pieces. If this dog wants to stop barking, I can do my outro. Thank you so much to BURGA as well for sponsoring this video and sending me so many sick pieces. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, stay smiling, stay positive, and I will see you next Sunday. Mwah. Bye guys.